Hello guys, I'm in Mexico today and I want to show you my last project. This is Mish, an alarm for backpacks. I want to say that it's very cheap to build, very easy and open source. So this means that you can find everything on my website and also in this YouTube video. But let's try to use the Mish alarm. So we just have to put it on our backpack, open the Bluetooth serial terminal, connect it to the device, and then press 1 to activate the alarm. Or press 0 to deactivate the alarm. So why build this alarm? Because my girlfriend was sleeping in a hostel and she had her backpack stolen during the night. She has lost all her documents and also her credit card, and I mean, it's not something really nice when you're very far away from your house, and she was like 11,000 kilometers from her house. Inside there is an Arduino Nano, a Bluetooth module HC05, and an accelerometer that is the MPU 6050. It's the most common one, and there is also a buzzer, otherwise it wouldn't be an alarm. I didn't put a battery because this one was a prototype and also want to keep it very simple. And also I think that we have a lot of power banks and it's nice to be able to choose if use the battery for charge our phone or to use it for a device. About the bag, this is actually made with old bike inner tubes, so it's actually recycled. But I was also thinking to design a 3D printed case, but I didn't do it because I was thinking to wait to design first the PCB. About the construction, as I said, it's very simple. You just have to follow the printing scheme that is in this video or on my website, and you just have to solve everything together and then to upload the sketch from Arduino IDE to your Arduino Nano. It's a very simple operation and I'm going to explain everything on my website, or anyway you can find all the information on internet without any problem. Since it's an open source project, if you want to help me designing the board, or you have other ideas, or you want to improve the code, you are welcome to do it. If you do it, please send me a message so we can work together. I love work with other people and I would love to work with you. As always, if you like the video, please click the like button, it's very important to me. And if you want to stay updated with all the last news, maybe an update on Mish or Smileback or other project that I'm doing, subscribe to my channel and maybe visit also my website where I have other projects that I'm working on. Thank you and goodbye. See you in the next video.